Hey guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can view replay in Forza Horizon 6. Now before you check your replay, you need to make sure that you should be in Horizon Solo mode, otherwise you won't be able to check replay. So for that, just go to online, and here in online you will be able to see the Horizon Solo. Select this option, select yes, and that way you'll be able to get into Horizon Solo, and now you can check replay. So in order to check replay, all you have to do, press Y on Xbox controller, triangle on PlayStation controller, and R key on keyboard, and that way you will able to rewind, and you have this option view replay. Now select that, and now in order to check replay, simply restart, click on this play button, and you'll able to view replay. Also you can change the camera type like this, and again to play we'll select restart, select the option play, and that way you'll able to check replay. It is that easy. You also have advanced options. If you want to explore this, you can go ahead and explore it. But yeah, that's it. This is exactly how you'll able to view replay in Forza Horizon 6. Hope this video helped you out. If it did, please leave a like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.